to today's video, and today we're desensitizing to fireworks. And so what we're going to do is we're actually going to use, we like these the best. These are like the little Snapdragons, and they're little packets that make a satisfying little pop when you throw them. And so far, these are my winner for horse desensitization to fireworks, because really they don't have any kind of a wick, or they don't burn, anything like that, and you can just kind of throw them. And they make a nice satisfying little popping sound. And so here we go. This is what they look like. They're just a little bitty packet. Look at that. It's just a little bitty thing. But it makes a nice little pop. So the horses can see it. And here we go. Just throw it down. And JoJo did not like it, but Miracle's getting used to it. Just let them calm down. Easy. Ooh. Get everybody settled again. Ooh. All right. And
Good girl.
it was just a good girl.
Good.
We're going to use a lot of positive reinforcement, lots of treats, but just those little Snapdragons really work well. Very pleased with them. So I'd say, as far as a good starter desensitization tool, the Snapdragons are the way to go. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And if you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember, if you want to see more on Miracle or any of the other horses, check out the playlist.